Hey there! Today I am doing a clean with me video tackling my kids' bathrooms and some other areas of the house while I was getting ready for throwing a Halloween party for my kids and their friends and our friends with kids. So stick with me and watch as I clean my house. So I don't know how you guys clean your house, but for me, I kind of am going back and forth in between my boys' bathroom and my daughter's bathroom, and I think it just makes it easier that way so that when you spray things down, you can let it sit and kind of percolate, going back and forth, and then coming back to wipe down surfaces after the solution has set for a little bit. So I don't know, do you do that or do you just do one bathroom and then move on to the next one? This works for me. I don't know, it still feels like the whole process takes forever, but it's got to be done. And I might need to find a better place to put our Band-Aids because as you can see, my son likes to go in the drawer and just pull out Band-Aids whenever he feels the need for it. And it's just a drawer full of empty Band-Aid wrappers. So I had to clean out that drawer. And the Lazy Mom's method for cleaning bath toys is to just spray them all down with Lysol, let it sit a little bit, and then rinse them with hot water after a while. Try it, it works. Oh man, cleaning my laundry room made me so happy. That place gets destroyed. It's the first room when you walk in through the garage, and everything kind of just gets thrown in there to be out of the way. And it gets to the point that I can't even walk in there to do my own laundry. So I had to clear out all the junk that didn't belong in there, put it away, get some laundry going, and then cleaning all the dust and dirt off the floor in there. And my least favorite thing to do besides dusting is making the bed. It's a giant king-size bed. I'm only 5'1", and this thing is just a mammoth. So, but my son had an accident in our bed earlier, and so I had already changed the sheets, but I needed to put the blanket back inside the duvet and then change the pillowcases. So this took me a good long while because why can't they just make nice comforters? I hate duvets. They are just so much work, and the comforter just like moves around inside the cover, and I don't like it. But here I am taking 20 minutes just buttoning up my blanket. And if you're wondering what I keep looking at, I had on a show while I was making the bed. So that's what I'm staring at. I'm not just being weird. And then about 3 hours before the party started, I just had a few other things to get accomplished, including wiping down the appliances to give them a quick shine, doing some last minute vacuuming and mopping, and putting things away, because having 3 children, yeah, your house is not going to stay clean for you. So this was all last minute scramble. It was crunch time. I still needed to get ready for myself, obviously. And my son wanted to put on his dragon costume just for the fun of it.